Yes, good morning. I could see some of you joined and
Good morning,
some of
sir.
you are still. Good morning. Yes. So let us study, yes, classified advertisements. Yes, we already discussed about it, and let us see how it will be there in the question paper. Okay, all right. Yes, shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so the advertisements. All of you are aware that there will be no questions on classified advertisements. The questions will be only on yes classified advertisements, and there will be no questions on commercial advertisements. Probably it would have been very easier if commercial advertisements would have been there, where a lot of scope is there for your creativity. But in the case of classified advertisement, yes, you have to follow that whatever is the format which is required for particular yes particular advertisement. If it's a job vacancy situation, yes, vacant. If you are seeking for a job situation wanted, so likewise you should have a heading for that. Okay, so just let's have an introduction at the beginning, and then we can move on to see some questions which will appear, because we are studying in detail about these classified advertisements. So advertisement is an announcement made through a popular medium that targets a large number of people. Newspapers, magazines, TV, radio, cinema, leaflets, pamphlets, extra are extensively used for such purpose. The content of advertisement is brief. So in the case of classified advertisements, we have seen that the content will be very brief. Every word will count. So the words are limited because you are paying for every word, and that's why the words are very much limited. But in the case of commercial advertisement, it is not the case. Okay, you can, yes, you can write, I mean, beautifully there. You can have beautiful expressions there, but here formal language has to be used. The words are limited and sentences are not necessarily grammatically correct because you are writing in the form of points. So that's why you don't have to pay much attention to the grammar there. So there are two types of advertisement basically. That is, one is classified advertisement and another one is commercial advertisement. So you are familiar with drafting the posters and all. So, but we are going to see only the first one, that's a classified advertisement, which is very important for us from examination point of view. Okay, so we'll move on to those questions. Now, important points as far as classified advertisements are concerned, you have to write it in a box. So you'll find that in the columns, classified column, you'll find all those advertisements are there in the box. Write classified outside the box. So on the top you can write. In the case of newspaper, you'll find on the top writing that classified. Heading in the center top inside the box. The first word has to be bold and in capital letters. Use only phrases and not sentences. Avoid using articles and prepositions. Clarity of content, brevity of language, and proper contact number and address to be given. Word limit up to 50 words. So we'll see the first example here. Now here, available a flat. So now can you just tell me what kind of advertisement it is here? They have asked the question, but usually if you are drafting this kind of advertisement, on the top you have to write the heading there. So here, available a flat number 12 by 7, Adarsh Nagar, Raipur, ground floor, with two bedrooms having attached bathroom, car parking available. So you just go through this and just think over it. So you see, yes, yes, somebody wants to say something. Yes. So see, this is the way it has to be there, right? Probably it's quite clear to you now what kind of advertisement it is. Yes. Can you just think over that? And answer is also given there, for sale. So if you are drafting that, F should be capital. Okay. Because available a flat. So it is not for purchase, but available a flat. It is not accommodation wanted. Actually, accommodation wanted, that heading will come only when you are looking for accommodation. Okay, when you are looking for accommodation, then in that case, accommodation wanted will come.
Sir,
So for
suppose
purchase,
we are drafting, sir.
yes,
Suppose we are drafting, sir.
uh,
Available a flat F should be capital, sir.
available a flat. No, no, no. I said in the case of heading, in the case of heading
For
for
sale.
sale, for sale, F should be capital, yes should be capital. For sale. When you are writing the heading, here both they have written, in small letters. F they have written small letter. Yes also they have written small letter. So here situation vacant also yes capital and V capital you can write, or this is okay. But usually in the newspaper you'll find yes capital and V capital. Okay, similar way F capital and yes capital. So this first letter of these words have to be capitalized. I hope it's clear to you. When you're drafting that, then in that case, because remember that this is a head. These are all headings. These are all headings. Okay, so that is the reason why it should be in the capital letters. Okay, not available a flat. Flat is common noun. So if it's a small letter, see whatever they have given in this box, that is correct. Okay, it has to be written in the form of points. Points. So available a flat number 12 by 7 Adarsh Nagar, Raipur. So that is the address. Then everything, since it's in points, that's correct. Ground floor with 2 bedrooms, having attached bathroom. So you need not pay much attention to grammar also. I hope it's clear to you now. Yes. Okay. We'll move on to the next now. We'll go to the
Yes,
next
sir.
question now. Yes. See, actually, a lot of confusion will be there because now when we are preparing for this, then only we'll get the ideas. Otherwise, others may see accommodation wanted. See, accommodation wanted, that kind of heading will come only when you are looking for accommodation. Okay. See, you have gone to Bombay. I mean, you have been transferred to Bombay and you are looking for accommodation there. So, what will be the heading of that accommodation wanted? Okay. So, in that case, it should be accommodation wanted. Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. Which of the following is a characteristic of a classified advertisement? Being too vague or wording. So lot of words, no, that will not be in the classified advertisement. Word, lot of wording here refers to lot of verbose. Lot of words have been used there. Unnecessary words you can't use there. You are paying for every word, so you will not use that in the case of classified advertisement. Too vague, no. Vague means what? Abstract, not clear. Okay. Use the same descriptive characteristics for each advertisement? No. See here, you will not use because if you are looking for a job, it's a different kind of heading you have to use. Descriptive characteristics also will be different there. Description will be different there. Then make full sentences. No, it should be in the form of points or it should be in phrases. Okay, so you will not make full sentences. The language should be according to the audience we are referring to. Yes, the language should be according to the spectators or according to the reader. Reader would be a better word here, not the audience. I think when you are giving speech, we use the word audience. Yes, uh, yes, and when you somebody is watching a match, then spectators, and somebody is reading that all the advertisements. Newspaper reader, we say. We don't say newspaper audience. Got it? But we can accept it because these all, I mean, probably they must have done it in hurry because they will give very short period of time to these. Yes, we have prepared. Yes, for Kendriya Vidyalaya. Yes, I have taken it from them only, but they must have done it in hurry there, and that may be the reason why you'll find some of the mistakes there. But I just want you to make become aware of all that. Okay, and teachers like us, I mean, teachers like us in the sense that why, particularly they must have been very much in a hurry. Okay, fine. I'll not go deep into that. Okay, let's go move on to the next one now. It's human error possible, right? But I want you people to know that what is the right thing. So, what is the correct order for the following sale of property? See, for sale, sale of property. So, what will be the correct order? That is the question here. So, what should be the correct order? Now, if it is sale of a property, now if it's available, yes, first floor advertisement, then DDA flat at. So, you can just think over what will be the right one located near, right? By looking at this, probably it will
Option D,
be
sir.
Yes, answer D, because the order of arrangement will be first will be advertisement, yes, then description of the house. So wherever
And
the
last one will be contact number.
last one will be contact number. Very good. Last one is always contact number. You even email ID also you can have it there. Very good. So that's right. So you should know proper order of these. So probably from this it's quite clear to you now. You have to go thoroughly in this. Okay. Only one thing is there. What should be the order? What should be the heading? All these kind of questions will appear in classified advertisement. So when you are looking for classified advertisement, already uploaded the video. If you watch those videos, you will get the ideas there. Okay, right. We'll move on to the next one now. I hope it's quite clear to you. Right. Which aspect of a product is customer not required to know in an advertisement about the product? Age of the seller. Yes. Why he should
Age of sale.
seller, right? Yeah. So advantages of the product and value for money. Very good. Age of seller. Product details are only essential, and age of the seller not required because nobody's going to get married to that person if one is quite young. That seller. Okay, right. When you become a seller, maybe you can mention your age. But that can be mentioned in matrimonial column. That is also part of classified advertisement. Okay, right. Let's move on to the next one now. Fifth one. Situation wanted advertisement is written by, right? Situation vacant and situation wanted. Okay, this you should not get confused. But see the kind of questions that have been asked. Situation wanted advertisement, we distinguish that. I think it's quite clear to you. Situation vacant and situation wanted. An employer is what? The one who is a owner, a job seeker. Yes, a job seeker, the one who is seeking a job. Now you got skills, but you want to advertise your skills. Then what will you do? You will advertise in the newspaper when you are seeking for a job. Okay, a candidate looking for a place, no, and last one also wrong. A person looking for tenants, right? So somebody who wants to rent out his flat, then tenant. He will be looking for tenant. I hope it's quite clear to you. Okay, let's move on to the next one. If anything is not clear, if any word, difficult word you come across, then definitely you can ask me about that. Right. Let's go to the second one now. Second example. Principal Sunrise Global School Agra requires a receptionist for a school. Draft a suitable advertisement. So, what is required receptionist? Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified columns of a national newspaper, giving all the necessary details of qualifications and experience required in the receptionist. Yes, you tell me. Situation wanted is correct here. Required a young, dynamic, smart, charismatic, and friendly female receptionist for Sunrise Global School, Agra.
No,
Hence,
sir.
so it's wrong, isn't it?
No,
Yes.
sir.
What is
Yes,
yes?
sir.
Yes, sir, and no, sir. I am
It
not
should
able
be
to understand.
seekers.
What should it show? What should be the heading there?
It is wrong title, sir.
It's a wrong title. We will see whether it's a wrong title, whether the question is on that. Okay, that we'll see that. Yes, very good that you have been able to find out that it's a wrong title. Very good. Okay, attractive salary with fringe benefits. A lot of additional benefits will also be there. Healthy work environment, fresh graduates having honors or equivalent degree in English with good communication skills can apply by sending their cover letter and resume till March 30th on the below mentioned email ID abc123 at gmail.com for queries, then phone number. Okay, right. So let's see here this uh, questions we have seen. We have not seen the questions. No sample three. Why it has come? What is given sample two? Then sample three. We are going straight. Okay. So situation wanted is wrong. So okay. Now here, sample Amar, okay. Amar Amira Srinagar wants to sell his car and plans to buy a new one. Help from draft. So sample two questions are not there, right? So you know that now the what is wrong is that heading is wrong there. So let's see this question now. What is there? Right. Wants to sell his car and plans to buy a new one. Help from draft and advertisement for sale of old car. So what will be there? Now, what will be the heading there? That is a question here because A, they have left it blank.
Vehicle for sale.
Vehicle for sale is the right one. Vehicle for sale. Okay, vehicle for sale. It is not vehicle. So whenever you want to sell anything and see the spelling of sell. See, sometimes they have given SELL. So what should be the spelling? SALE. Can you tell me the difference between SALE and SELL? Both are same, isn't it? Yes. What is the difference between SALE and SELL?
Noun
Yes.
and verbs.
Noun and verb. Very good. Which one is noun? Yes, very good.
Sale.
Anurag. Which one is noun? Which one is noun? Tell
SAL
me.
is
Sale is
SAL
now.
is noun.
SALE is noun and
And
SELL is verb.
WL
Very
is
good.
verb.
work.
Yes, very good. So vehicle for sale, um, that will be the yes heading. And remember here, V should be capital and yes should be capital. Grammatical words, there is no need for you to capitalize them. There is no need to. Ravi Ranjan Kumar is not from your class, isn't he? Ravi Ranjan is from your class?
No, sir.
Okay, he's not from your class, I think
Junior.
maybe. Yes? No. Right, I think he may be sixth class boy. Right. Okay. So
Arjun
yeah,
Singh also is there, sir. Sixth
right.
class Arjun Singh.
Arjun Singh. Is it maybe sometimes the father's mobile will be there? So sometimes it is possible. Okay, fine, doesn't matter. Vehicle for sale. V should be capital and yes should be capital. F you need not. Yes, F should not be capital. Why F should not be capital? Because it's a grammatical word. Okay, grammar words you need not make it capital. So important words you should capitalize them whenever you are writing the heading. Okay, all these are very important because sometimes they'll give vehicle for sale, both they will give, and they will purposely they'll make even F capital. So that also is possible. We'll move on to the next one now. Swift Desire available for sale, available for purchase, available for rent. Swift available for
Only V and S should be capital, sir.
only V and S should be capital. Yes, only V and S should be capital because F is a grammar word. So whenever we see, you can write all letters in capitals, no problem. But if you are capitalizing words, then in that case, you have to make V and S capital because these are important words when you want to emphasize upon them. You got it? For is a grammar word. So for it is not very important as far as meaning of that phrase is concerned because it's a phrase. Vehicle for sale is a phrase. So meaning of phrase is concerned. For is not very important. It's a grammar word. So therefore, we and yes, which are very important, which convey the sense, which convey the meaning, those should be capitalized. I hope it's clear to you now. Okay, let's move on to next one now. B where Swift Desire available for sale. So Swift Desire available for sale 2015 model, light blue car. See what is it with new tires. Yes. So Mahesh's car is yes uh, available for sale. Swift Desire. Okay. 12,000 kilometer single owner driven by.
Sir,
See
both
you want to
1 and 4 can be answered, no, sir. Swift
one
available
and
for sale, Swift Desire available for sale.
Swift Desire available. No, model of the car is very much required. No, see, you have to give more and more detail. Okay, Swift Desire is a model. Swift,
Yes, sir.
so many models are there. No, okay. So Swift Desire, particularly that one, is a costly model. So the Swift Desire, the model of the car is very much necessary. Got it now. So model is
Yes,
given there in the case of Swift Desire because when you have to give complete detail, you have to give all the detail. They are very very important. Okay, so that is the reason why they see this is what is the confusion. Probably it's clear to you. Okay, more the details, better it is for classified advertisement. And Swift desire also very important word, keyword. Okay, let's move on to the next one now. 12,000 kilometers single owner driven. Okay, 12,000 kilometers single owner driven. 12,000 kilometer capacity. No, it's not capacity. Average self driven. It's also wrong. Single owner driven. That's more appropriate. Driven by the owner. Right. Then contact. Amar or Amira, or Amar, okay, Amira, then where details have been given, contact details have been written there, mobile number is provided there because somebody has to contact, no? So all those mobile details have been given there. You have to look for that where more details have been given there, okay? See how confusing it is. Probably if you don't go through this, it will be very, very confusing and you'll be losing all the marks. And those who are attending, they are lucky enough. And yes, those who are not attending, I feel pity on them. Once they appear for the exam, they will realize about it. You are the director of Star Communications, an advertising agency, 15 Silver Arcade, Nehru Place, New Delhi, 110054. Your company needs sales executive. So here's all, small letters it is written there after full stop also. Draft an advertisement to be printed in the Hindustan Times. That appears that probably the very short time was given to them and probably the proofreading has not been done here. But yes, very important for you once you are in 12th class. Yes, the beginning letter or the sentence must begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay, now let's go to this now. The Hindustan Times. Actually, it should be Hindustan Times or the Hindustan Times. Yes, boys. For UPSC, it's very important. The Hindustan Times or Hindustan Times. What should be the answer? Yes.
The Hindustan Times.
What should be the
The
answer?
Hindustan.
The Hindustan Times. That is very, very important. Why the Hindustan Times is very important? Whenever we are mentioning the newspaper, we have to use the article the. Okay, we have to use the article the. Okay, this is a classified, and A. Let's see here what should come there A, and then what should be there in B. So just go through this. Wanted sales executive male for a reputed advertising agency. B dash or English and dash in computers. Candidates aged 25 to 30 years with minimum experience of 2 years dash. Send complete by. So it's like, how you are appearing for the examination. Keeping that in the mind, attempt this and let's see, yes, whether you'll be able to give answer for all this. Just go through that. So I'll just give you 1 or 2 minutes so that when you are going through that, probably yes, it will be clear to you. Okay. So shall we move on to the questions now? Okay. I hope you have gone through this. I'll just go to the first question now. Now here, yes, what is it? Wanted sales executives. So it is for hire is correct. What is the right answer? Situation vacant. See, situations vacant will also not come. Okay, it should be situation vacant, right? Vehicle for sale, not situations vacant. What is that? What is the correct answer? Yes, boys. Are you able to give the answer for this?
Should not be situations vacant, sir.
Actually, it is answer is situation vacant only, but it should not be situations vacant. It will be situation vacant. Yes will not be used. Okay, yes will be not used. It will be situation vacant. Okay, this kind of advertisement, right? Wanted sales executives, no, for a reputed advertising agency. So that is candidates aged. So this is situation vacant. So it should not be situations. It will be situation vacant. Okay, let's see the answer here.
For hire will
Situation.
not come, sir.
Yes, for
For
hire.
hire will not come.
No, no, it will not come because see here, you are not hiring anybody. You are given advertisement because you want to absorb them in your company. So wanted sales executives male for a reputed advertising agency. So the only answer will be situation vacant. Okay, situation vacant. Right. Title for notification of vacant post. So it is for vacant post and interview. Got it. So it probably we have seen that the classified advertisement and situation vacant. Even earlier also where we have seen here, you must have seen that situation vacant. Only here it has come situations vacant, but otherwise it is always situation vacant. Okay. So right, we'll move on to the next one now. B, having excellent command, speaking knowledge, talking, none of this. So what will be the most appropriate here? So here, now B, what will be the answer for B? Let's see here. Now here, wanted sales executives, mail for reputed advertising agency. Yes. Can you give the answer for this B? The language that is used in classified advertisement, that is what is very important. Okay, what kind of language we use, right? Yes. Can you give the answer for this? Simple answer. Yes. Shall I tell? Having excellent command required qualification. So, excellent command over language. Excellent command over language, not speaking knowledge. See the kind of language you'll be using, it will be formal language. Remember that you are using formal language. Okay, let's move on to the C now. Expectancy, deficiency, proficiency, proficiency. So command, better word will be proficiency. What command or language? Proficiency. You are proficient in what? In maybe typing and all. Okay, here or English and dash in computers. Proficiency in computers. Now word command over language and proficiency in computers. Okay, probably you got it now. So you will have a command over the language, whereas proficiency in you are proficient in computers. Candidates aged between 25 to 30 years with minimum experience of 2 years. Uh, now what is D? Are preferred, will be preferred. Experience counts. Have been preferred. No, not have been preferred of are preferred. Preference. So even if you write are
Sir,
preferred,
R preferred. R preferred will not come, sir.
see, I'll just come to this. Okay. Now here, candidates aged between 25 to 30 years with minimum experience of 2 years. Candidates aged between 25 to 30 years with minimum experience of 2 years are preferred. Actually, they should not have given this option because when you look at these both options, both are correct. Okay, our preferred is also correct, will be preferred is also correct, but usually in the advertisements they usually give will be preferred, but grammatically both are correct. Okay, grammatically both are correct, and when you look at the meaning,
Both are
it,
correct.
it both have similar meaning. Both convey the same sense, both convey the same meaning. So they could have avoided here. Okay, but probably they must have thought that usually will be preferred is given there. Okay, fine. Good that yes, you have pointed out this, and you are also right when you say that are preferred is also correct. Okay, same complete because here it is written in for the way it is written here, are preferred is also correct and will preferred is also correct. Okay, right.
So which is more appropriate?
More appropriate, quite often it is used will be preferred. And since quite often it is used will be preferred, that's why they are given the answer will be preferred. Okay. So if this kind of question comes, you write will be preferred. Because you are calling for them to the advertisement, you are calling them later. So that is the reason when you think about that connotation, will be preferred will be the most appropriate. Okay. Right. So that's why this okay. Last example we'll just see if it is there. Okay, as now you can just try yourselves. Your first, I'll give time for you to read also and think over it. So your younger brother, aged 5, has been missing for the last 3 days. Think over that. First, read slowly. Draft because you have got ample time. In the case of MCQs, don't hurry up to give answers immediately. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words for the missing persons column of a local newspaper. So what is written there on the top in the column? You should you go through that classified page of the newspaper. You'll get a lot of ideas. So what is followed there in the classified advertisement? That you'll find this in Deccan Herald. You'll find this Times of India. In almost all newspapers, you'll find this classified advertisement, and you have to look for that. So what you will find there in the case of this one? Draft an advertisement. Okay, missing persons column of a local newspaper. I think answer of A is given here itself. Can you give the answer for that? A.
Search for missing persons.
Search for
Missing
see
Lost person cannot come, sir.
huh?
Lost person.
Lost person will not come. See that
Missing
in the
person.
notice, and in the case of lost, see if it's a notice, you will write on the top lost, not even person.
Yes,
You'll
sir.
just write lost, or you'll write found in the case of notice. But it is now here classified advertisement. If it's a classified advertisement, it will be usually it will be A answer. Yes, fifth A you have written. What is that? Fifth A answer. So answer is A. Yes, A first one. So A answer is 1. That is missing person. Okay, let's see the answer also here. Ah, so missing person. Usually, because missing person column of a local newspaper, it is given there in the question itself. Missing person column. So yes, situation vacant column. Missing person column. So missing person that will be there in the advertisement. Okay, sometimes only missing that will be there. Okay, missing person.
Sir,
Now
person
let's
went
go.
missing. That was.
No, no. See what happens. There's a particular heading which is given there in classified advertisement. In almost all newspapers, you'll find a particular heading only. Now, job vacancy. They will not write job vacancy. They'll write situation vacant. You'll find that kind of thing. Okay, situation vacant. You'll find like that. I hope it's clear to you now. You have to follow that only. You can't follow your own. See, in classified advertisement, there's no scope for your creativity. And that is the reason why either you'll score well or you'll not score well. See, that is the problem with in the case of this. I hope it's clear to you now. Yes? Person when missing, that is also wrong. What should be the heading? It's only missing person. General public. Now, so what is a formal language that is used? He is hereby informed, none of this. Just think of that.
He is hereby informed.
Right. That, yes. Now let's see here. What is the answer there for this? He is hereby informed. Okay. So that is a formal language that is used. Okay. Right. Or even in the case of a notice also, you will write like that only. Okay. Has been informed? No, it will never come. Informed also grammatically wrong. So only grammatically correct is hereby informed, because formal language you have to use and you have to draw the attention of the people. Okay. Let's go to C now. Good that you have been able to give correct answers here. Okay, but a bit confusion and all. Let's see here. We'll see the options and then we'll go back. Communicates, responds, speaks, and listens. So let's see here what kind of word will be most appropriate. Here in the case of C, general public. We have seen B about the missing of a 5-year-old boy from Central Park in Connaught Place 3 days ago. The child attached to the name Mosonu is fair complex. So the
Response.
child, uh,
Response.
response, okay? Okay. Response. What is that? Child response. The child responds to the name Sonu. Response is more appropriate because communicates to the name Sonu. No. Response. He replies to the name Sonu is fair complex and was wearing a red shirt and denim shorts. Anyone knows knowing anything? Actually, anyone knows anything. Knowing is a see. This is very important for UPSC also. No is a verb where we often don't use ing form. Anyone knows anything. So actually, when you know use the knows form, that also actually for even ing form also you will use that only. He knows it. Anyone knows anything dash. Please contact. Now here D. Let's see here. So what is it? Anyone knows anything about the whereabouts, details of the missing person, then please inform. Okay, please
The
contact
difference between 1 and 4, sir.
1 and 4.
About the whereabout and whereabout about the whereabout.
Details of the missing person, about the whereabout, about the whereabouts. See, actually about the
Different.
whereabout and about the whereabouts, they could have avoided this. Okay, see your first one is wrong. No, abouts is wrong. There is no word abouts. Okay, so we talk about the whereabouts only. You got it now. First one abouts. Yes, about the whereabouts we can say. We are using
It can be
whereabouts.
only about also, no, sir.
Only about no only about will not come. About what? About the whereabouts, no. About the details of the missing person. About nothing else is given there, no. See here D, what is there? D, what is there? Anyone knows anything about whereabouts? About whereabouts. It's a whereabout. Where that boy is, where he has been where he has been found. His whereabouts are very important for us. So only about will not come. About whereabouts, only that answer will be correct. And remember, in the case of MCQs, only one answer is correct. You got it now? Only one answer is correct. Yes? Only one answer is correct. I'll just